What's up, future financial masters? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a crypto professional working from the home office, grinding in this fast-paced market, then you know one thing for sure. October has been wild. We saw a record-breaking, jaw-dropping $19 billion liquidation event that sent Bitcoin crashing to a 4-month low. Ouch. But here's the secret the headlines won't tell you. That chaos wasn't the end of the story. It was the setup. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We're breaking down the 5 recent key developments and outlooks in the crypto market that are shaping your next 6 months. Because knowing these 5 points isn't just news, it's your roadmap to professional success in a digital world. Stick with me, because by the end of this 8-minute deep dive, you'll gain 3 massive benefits. 1. The ability to spot a multi-bagger opportunity where others see panic. 2. The confidence to navigate regulatory shifts like a seasoned institutional investor. 3. The knowledge to leverage cutting-edge AI and DeFi trends for maximum advantage. Let's not waste a second. Hit that like button and let's dive into the digital gold rush. We start with the elephant in the virtual room: Bitcoin price outlook and the market correction. The event. That weekend of massive liquidations pushed Bitcoin down to a 4-month low of around $104,000. For a lot of people, that was a wake-up call, or maybe a nightmare. The positive interpretation. But for you, the smart, work-from-home crypto pro, this correction needs to be viewed through a different lens, a massive buying opportunity. The bullish outlook. And the pros agree. Standard Chartered's Jeff Kendrick is sticking to a forecast of $200,000 for Bitcoin by the end of this year or 2025. That's a serious upside target. Even his bear case is still well north of $150,000. That tells you something about the fundamental strength of this asset. The limiting factor, the one thing holding us back? A continued lack of big inflows from the US spot Bitcoin ETFs. That institutional money is the last domino, and once it falls, the upside could be explosive. Transition. But there's a whole world outside of the US, and this next development proves exactly where the smart money is moving right now. While the US dithers, Asia is leading the charge on regulatory developments, and this is a game changer for altcoins. The big news. Hong Kong has approved its first spot Solana ETF. This is huge. The significance. Solana is now the 3rd crypto, following Bitcoin and Ethereum, to get a spot ETF approval in the city. Hong Kong is cementing its status as a major global crypto hub. The details for pros. What makes this extra noteworthy is the flexibility. The China Asset Management Solana ETF can be traded and settled using both Chinese yuan and US dollar counters. That's essentially a bridge for massive capital inflows from across the region. The cost. The estimated annual expense ratio is about 1.99%. That's competitive and gives institutional and retail investors a simple, regulated on-ramp to one of the fastest-growing ecosystems. Bolding point. If institutional access is the key to mainstream adoption, Hong Kong just unlocked the door for Solana on a global scale. This is something every crypto pro needs to be watching closely. Now, let's talk about the bedrock of crypto: DeFi. Specifically, Aave DAO's groundbreaking governance proposal. The proposal. Aave DAO, one of the biggest names in decentralized lending, introduced a plan to create a long-term, protocol-funded buyback program for its native Aave token. The scale. We're talking up to $50 million in annual revenue being used to repurchase Aave tokens. The goal. This isn't a one-off event. The goal is to institutionalize buybacks, making it a recurring mechanism. This fundamentally shifts the DAO's role, positioning it as an active capital allocator, constantly reinforcing the value of its token. The takeaway. This move is a sign of DeFi maturity. Protocols aren't just creating utility, They're implementing sophisticated, transparent financial strategies that resemble traditional corporate finance. This is a model we could see adopted across the entire DeFi sector to bring stability and sustainable token value. Okay, shift your focus to the future: AI trading performance. This story is a fascinating look into the convergence of two of the hottest tech sectors. In recent real-market crypto trading experiments, Chinese AI models are outperforming their US counterparts. The model DeepSeek generated a positive unrealized return of 9.1%, while rivals lagged. DeepSeek achieved this success by aggressively betting on the market's rise, taking leveraged long positions across major cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, SOL, BNB, Doge, and XRP. It's an aggressive, bullish strategy that paid off. On the flip side, the US-developed OpenAI's ChatGPT-5 slipped to last place, recording a sobering loss of over 66%. This isn't just a competition. It shows how advanced machine learning is already shaping market movements. As a crypto pro, you need to be aware that the liquidity, volatility, and trading strategies in the market are increasingly being dictated by these ultra-fast, intelligent AI agents. Finally, let's wrap up with a look at the altcoin market. While Bitcoin was busy recovering, some altcoins were absolutely crushing it. The star player, BNB, the native token of Binance's BNB chain, is absolutely winning Uptober. It set new all-time highs twice this month and remains up about 6% since the start of October, showing incredible resilience and momentum. This is a token with both a massive ecosystem and real-world utility powering its surge. The wider market. The good news doesn't stop there. Most of the 100 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization ended the week in the green, showing a broad-based recovery of market sentiment. Weekly winners. Shoutouts to some of the week's leaders. Zcash, ZEC, rose over 33%, and the very memeable Pump.Funds, Pump token, was up 26%. This tells us that even post-crash, the hunger for high-growth, innovative, or meme-driven altcoins is alive and well. There you have it, folks. 5 key developments showing us that the crypto market is consolidating, maturing, and positioning itself for the next leg up. The message is clear. Don't panic. Educate yourself, stay tactical, and leverage information like this. You've got the knowledge to spot the opportunity, navigate the regulation, and understand the technological forces at play. If you found this breakdown valuable, and you want to keep getting the expert insights you need to dominate the work-from-home crypto world, then you know the drill. 1. Smash that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. 2. I've put together a full, in-depth guide on leveraged trading strategies in a volatile market for the serious pros. You can grab that guide using the link in the description below. Go check it out. Keep stacking Satoshis, keep building your future, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.